Just relax. Keep your teeth together. I'm just gonna pull you up here. Okay. Totally relax. There you go.
Ouch.
How did that feel?
It hurt, but it felt really good.
That's what you needed, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that probably feels like you had a little bit of space down there, huh?
Yeah. Kind of felt in my chest.
You're still kicking. Oh yeah. Okay.